Today we're going to do a little video on how to get a Dillon powder check to work on a Hornady press here without drilling it. One option is to drill a hole right around here through your press, and then you can put a straight rod down to touch the plate here. What I've got rigged up here is a little bent rod. Whenever the press goes up, I'm going to move this. Sets off the alarm. See, it's pushing that, setting off the alarm. Now, it's not perfect. It's going to tell you if you've got a double load or if you've got no load at all, basically. You adjust the height here. The idea is for it to have enough powder that it'll land in the middle. So if you've got a double load, it'll land up here. If you're missing a load, it'll hit there. So let's go ahead and do a misload first. This case is already primed. So let's say this was a misload. I'd get the alarm sounded. I know to stop and check. Now, let's get a regular load. No alarm. See how it's landing in the middle there? So we know that we're good. Alright, now let's do a double load and see if it works. That's one load. Two loads. Now you can see how it's too high, and it should sound off the alarm. There we go. Now we know we've got a double. We can stop. Let's go ahead and load a few of these and test it out. Alright, we're going to go ahead and go for it and show you how it should work. This should clear. Clear. Now let's say, God forbid, you did this and somebody came and said something, and go again. Oops, we got to stop. And we got a double shot.